Good morning, good Erev Shabbos, special greetings to our soldiers at Fort Jackson, everybody watching our video. You know, there's a fascinating contrast. There were two sets of tablets, right? We all know that. The first, completely divine, the work of God, the writing was God's writing. They were the holiest objects imaginable. And yet, within hours, they were shattered by Moses when he saw the golden calf. The second tablets were different. Moses had to carve the stone himself. God still provided the words in his own handwriting, but Moses had to prepare the tablets. And here's the paradox. The first tablets, entirely made by God, were broken. The second tablets, a partnership between God and Moshe, endured. Now, why is that? Well, Jewish mysticism explains that there are two kinds of spiritual moments. One is called an awakening from above. Something amazing happens, a miracle, an inspiration, a moment of clarity that comes like a gift from heaven. It's powerful and overwhelming, but often it's temporary. Then there's something called an awakening from below. That's when we take the initiative. We put in an effort, we struggle, we work hard, build something ourselves, and that kind of awakening changes us forever. We see this pattern throughout the Torah. At the splitting of the Red Sea, God fought the battle for the Jewish people. They were told to stand by and watch. It was one of the greatest miracles of history. But only a few days later, the people were back to complaining again. Later, though, when Amalek attacked, the Jews had to fight themselves. They had to choose soldiers, go into battle, and struggle. That experience shaped them far more deeply. The same idea appears with the revelation at Sinai. It was entirely from heaven, right? God overwhelms them. It's supernatural, thunder and lightning, yet only 40 days later, the people made the golden calf. But the sanctuary, the Mishkan, this portable temple that they built in the desert, that was different. The people built it. They donated the materials. They crafted every detail. And once they built it, idolatry disappeared from the camp. Because when we build something ourselves, it becomes part of us. That's why the second tablets lasted. They were not just a gift from heaven. They were the result of a partnership between God and our effort. That's one of the deepest messages of Judaism. Miracles, they can inspire us. Inspiration from above can lift us up. But the things that truly transform our lives are the things we invest ourselves in. The mitzvahs we struggle to keep, the Torah we work hard to try to understand, the community we help build, the kindnesses that we choose to do. Those are the moments that last. Look, the first tablets were perfect, but they were given to us. The second tablets endured because we were involved. We had a hand in making them. And when we bring our own efforts into holiness, something inside us changes. Just like Moshe after the second tablets, the Torah says his face began to shine. Because the greatest light is not only the light that comes from heaven, it's the light that we help to create. This message is very powerful today. Our prayers, our efforts, our support of what's going on in Israel and helping our fellow Jews, this is critical for us at this time. Get involved, participate, be a partner. It will not only change the situation there, it'll change you. Have a wonderful Shabbos. Shabbat Shalom.